It's from Butler Outdoors.
The Bushman. The Bushman sent Charlie a package. So we're gonna open it up. Hi.
God's office. I was like, what's he doing out there? He's like, working for somebody.
Yeah, I'm not totally crazy. Whoa, look at that.
There's a note on the back.
Is that, oh, Charlie, you get to read it. Read clear.
Charlie Taz, you have a great dad
Read to the camera.
teaching a greeting you. I'm positive that you can take this project with his awesome help. Look after your tools. They'll look after you. P.S.
P.S. Just P.S.
P.S. If you need any parts, we'll have them.
We'll have them.
We'll have them.
Bushman.
Bushman.
Dude, are you kidding me? Oh, no way. No way. Oh my gosh. The super easy, super mini. Oh my gosh, I have goosebumps. This is insane. Oh my gosh, Charlie, this is going to be so fun. Okay, so there's a... he hit a bunch of stuff. Got a pen cast of kindness. Love it. Thanks, buddy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my brother worked on one of these, and it had a full wrap handle on it, and I was like, no way. Why? You know, I told my brother, I said, this was months ago. I said, you know, that would be a perfect saw for a kid to learn how to run a saw, because it's like, you know, it's like kind of in the snowmobile world and in the dirt bike world and whatever, you know. Every kid wants a dirt bike that looks like their mom's or their dad's, you know.
There's a piece of paper.
Well, this power saw is the same thing, because this will be the same. Let's give her the garlic. This will be the same, you know, like for, oh my gosh, man. These are the coolest little saws. There you go, Charlie. Another saw. Another saw. And we got a decal for the pickup.
Yeah. Nothing else in here?
You never know. We might find something under every cover. That thing is in great shape, Andrew. Wow. That is going to be so much fun. So much fun. Oh my gosh. Got good compression, Charlie. It's got an air filter. Even has a good Walbro carburetor on it. We're going to have to do, we're going to get to do fuel lines.
Put that in my collection.
Totally. Fuel lines. Find a bar for it. It's got both bar plates. Man. Gosh, thanks, man. That is going to be so fun. This will be a fun saw to get running, no doubt. Thanks, buddy. This is going to be a great opportunity for Charlie and I to hang out in the shed when it cools off some. Oh my gosh. What do you want to say, Charlie?
Thank you.
What do you say to that?
Amazing.
Amazing, right? Gosh, these people are just awesome. Just awesome. I can't wait to start looking for parts and pieces to put it together. We'll have to fab you up a full wrap panel or something, Charlie. Unless we can get lucky and find one. Full wraps for home lights are kind of tough to find nowadays. Around here. Awesome. Anything else you want to say to everybody? To anybody?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what's your favorite video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video.
We'll have Charlie running this within a year. That's a goal. That's a goal. Awesome. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Bushman. You rock. Now, anything else?
Nope.
Say hi to anybody?
No?
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna get off here and we'll get this video put up. All right, everybody. Take care. Be safe. Love you all. TazMan
And LiL Taz
are rolling. That thing is awesome, man. Look at that beauty. Be kind. Thanks, Bushman.